Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Saturday and we are headed for a fun-filled day in Nashville with some surprises up ahead, including an engagement party. Not for any of us, but we will be attending. So we're excited for a great Saturday. This is Jana. She surprised us and we are having a great time. So join us along for the ride.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one.
Our camper today is Caleb.
Hi there.
Hi.
Like the cheering.
Yes. This is Caleb, Lydia's boyfriend. There's Lydia. He's in town from East Tennessee.
That's right.
We are jamming to some Taylor Swift this morning. Best song ever. Just having a fantastic time. And I have really bad allergies, so my voice sounds a little weird. Alright, we are now sitting at a table at Superica's and we're gonna have yummy Mexican food. This place has a really fun vibe. Very excited. We live for chips and salsa. Say something.
I love Mexican food.
Alright, so what should we get?
I had the steak nachos last time and it was phenomenal.
It's leather. It's a leather
Your claw was really good.
lawn chair.
Jana, what did you get?
Nachos.
She got chicken nachos.
There are 8 chips, each individually loaded.
And then we have, what did Lydia get?
I forget, chicken.
Yeah, that sounds right.
And then Caleb, what did you get?
I got the safe chicken quesadilla. As they say.
And I got the spinach enchiladas. Super yummy.
Oh,
We are outside of Superica. And now we're gonna go play some Top Golf. Which neither of us, we've never played Top Golf before, so we're expecting that Caleb is probably gonna win.
But I'm second.
But Jada's probably gonna be second. As
Yeah.
long as I don't come in dead last, I'm fine.
I think you can give Lydia a run for the money.
I know I can give Lydia a run for my money. Her money. Okay, so we went to Top Golf and it was
An 8-hour wait.
with no guarantees.
Yeah.
So we are now on the bridge, just taking a nice stroll for fresh air. Okay, so now we're in 5th and Broadway, which is like the new section that just opened up in Nashville. It's very pretty, very open. There's lots of space to just sit
So
and
many people watch. So many people.
Okay guys, we are now outside of Nissan Stadium and we are on birds and we're just enjoying the fact that Nissan Stadium is empty and we're just zooming all over the place. And they cap out at 15, but our girl Jada got to 20 downhill, 20 miles per hour.
It's just fun. I love it.
When she burns rubber. Don't leave me, I've got to put my camera up. Guys, we are in the car again
Hand sanitizer?
and we did a little CVS snack haul.
Haribo sour stringers.
Yes, Hershey Nugs.
That now have Germix on them, courtesy
you.
of Lydia.
and some Twizzlers, which are just not my favorite.
Twizzlers rock.
So we are now gonna just like have a little sit in the car, enjoy our snacks, listen to Taylor Swift, get a little Masters update.
How to get Taylor Swift in there?
That's right. And then we're gonna head to Sophie's house for her surprise engagement party with William.
Yay.
Hi, sister.
Let me see.
Hi.
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Cute.